That means we make around 50 lakh rupees only from interest. You are not doing anything. It's simply just happening automatically. It's the machine which is working in our favor. Hi everybody, welcome to a very special video, and when I say special, I mean it. And you also want to know in a shortest amount of time possible, how is it even possible that you can have 3x the income from one fund? How is it even possible? And you believe you me, we're going to talk about things maximum people, in fact 99% of viewers who are watching this video, who think that they know it all. You are up for a pleasant surprise because I'm going to share those tricks with you which are going to be really amazing for you. And obviously we're going to break down the concept step by step in a very easy and understandable way. Double engine method, I'll tell you first. After that, I'm going to tell you triple engine. And towards the end of the video, we're going to make this really rock solid. If you are a regular viewer, you know this, that this channel is for pro traders who already are aware of basics and they want to learn something next step. जान डाल दूंगा आपकी trading में. Let's figure this out. Step number 1. So what to do? 10 lakhs in liquid Bs get dividends. For example, if a person A has 10 lakh rupees in his demat, right? We want to get multiple sources of income from that 10 lakh. Step number 1, which everybody know, deploy 10 lakh in liquid Bs. When you buy liquid Bs, what you get? You get a lot of stability. Also, you get some kind of a return. How much return? Anywhere between 4.5% to 5.75%, somewhere around that. Okay. Step number 2, what you can do is that liquid Bs of 10 lakh which you give, in exchange of it, you're gonna get some amount of capital. You're gonna get 5% of haircut. That means you're gonna get 9 lakh 50,000 rupees. That amount you can do option trading with. Primarily option selling you can do, right? Step 1, you're getting income from liquid Bs, and then you get a collateral in that limit your broker is going to give you, right? Very easy. Step number 3, use that margin which you get after pledging and do option selling with this, right? Now, till this much, knowledge ends. The YouTube knowledge ends, right? But we're gonna take it up the notch. So what we can do is we're gonna do a lot better than this. Now I'm gonna tell you a triple engine method. We're gonna make it really better. Step number 1, we do the same thing. 10 lakh rupees is with you. We do liquid Bs. Okay, very easy to do. It also trades. You could see it on your broker terminal. You will find it. It's very easy. Step number 2, same we're gonna do. We're gonna pledge that 10 lakh and we're gonna get a 5% haircut and we're gonna get 9 lakh 50 rupees from the 10 lakh which we pledge. Easy, clear? Now the main thing starts. Monthly around 4 to 5,000 is a dividend we're gonna get. Not in cash, in units. But long story short, without making it complicated, you're gonna make a return roughly 4 to 5,000 from the Bs. Roughly on a month, that is your income you're getting from liquid Bs. Clear? Now here comes the main part. Now what we can do is we can start monthly SIP with the 4-5,000 rupees which you're getting. Suppose you're getting 5,000 rupees per month on your investment. Forget about the margin which you're getting. We're going to talk about this later. That profit which you're getting every month in a form of dividend, after a month, we can sell that unit and we get 5,000 rupees. Now, that 5,000 which you're getting as a profit, we can invest in Nifty 50 index fund. Index fund give you a return. How much return? Long term, people say 15%. CAGR, some people say 18% CAGR as well, but I'm keeping it lower. So suppose if somebody do 5,000 rupees SIP, this is profit you're getting completely 100% passive income. If somebody do 5,000 rupees SIP for 20 years at a 12% CAGR, that means we make around 50 lakh rupees only from interest. You are not doing anything. It's simply just happening automatically. It's the machine which is working in our favor. But we are not done yet. What's next now? Let's see. Meanwhile, the original 10 lakh which you had still working in your trading. We have spoken about the profit which you get, and do a SIP every month from the profit which you get, which you're getting it on a 10 lakh. So far you get it, but the original capital for which we got the collateral, that is not sitting idle. We are doing trading with that. Now let's talk about trading. Suppose you're not a skilled trader and you're able to make 1% return in a month. How much? 1%, right? Not much. Very, very safe strategy. Suppose in buy trading, that amount you get 12 to 15% per year on not a 10 lakh, 9.5 lakh. I've done my calculation. So 9.5 if you make 12 to 15, I'm so conservative on this, and we do it for 20 years, that means we're gonna make more than 50 lakh rupees of profit by being so conservative that it's unbelievable. Making a 12%, 15% ROI. There's so many strategies, so many methods are available. On my channel, you're gonna get the top stuff, right? You've been learning, you've been watching my videos, and that's a really good thing. That's a real special quality. Okay. Now, 50 lakh is coming from complete passive investing. 50 lakh one can make by just making a mere not even 1.5. 1.5 is also becomes 18% a year, right? So really, really less capital. Now what happens? 50 lakh from complete passive, you're doing SIP with that. Plus 50 lakh you are doing, suppose you have very low skill, right? And you're making 50 lakh from that. So net being conservative, we are making 1 CR on the capital which we deployed. Why? Because number one, Liquidbees is giving you interest on a monthly basis, not on weekly, on monthly, right? You can check it with your broker. Number two, you are taking a 95% complete margin and you're using it in a trading. The monthly profit which you're getting, you are again putting it. Plus, you're also doing trading with the rest, 9,50,000. I've kept the numbers so low so that you can relate to this. If I just tweak the number, suppose if you have an option strategy which gives you 3% on a monthly basis, a very conservative strategy. This 1 crore which you see can turn into 4 crores or 5 crores in a very, very fast speed. In compound interest, even a decimal point has a huge impact, but trading is a game of skill. Maybe you do not need 10. Maybe you just need one particular method away and do it over time. And the best part about trading is that it improves with time. This kind of information, and I have more to tell you, nobody gives, because believe me, it's not that they don't want to give. Most people are not even aware of it. So it's my job to probably tell you, help you out. Why? Because I'm sure many of you require such kind of knowledge, which nobody is providing it to you. Share this video with your friend. Share this video with the person who you really want to see succeeding. Let's talk about more. You want to make it even better? Yes. Should I tell you in this video itself, right? Okay, now gear up. I'm going to tell you something even more. Setup. Auto redeem and auto SIP monthly. You don't need to do it every month by yourself. Set up an auto redeem and auto SIP. Your broker has this facility. Check with your broker. Check the amount of interest which you can get from Liquidbees. Tell your broker that on this particular day, as soon as I get paid from my Liquidbees, I need to have an auto SIP facility. That auto SIP you can do with Nifty 50. If you want to do with your favorite stock, you can do it, or you can do it in sector. Completely depends on you. But SIP has to go monthly. Your stress level will be total zero when you do auto. Now, if you ask your broker, he will have no idea. He will probably ask his senior, and then senior will confirm you, yes, we have this facility, but nobody uses it. Why? Again, lack of information, lack of knowledge. But don't worry, I'm here with you. I'm helping you out. Point number 2, instead of 1% a month, we can improve, we can learn probably and get better at trading and target 3 to 4% a month. Achievable, right? It's not rocket science. We're not targeting 10%. 3% is what we're targeting from option selling. Now, when you make 3 to 4% a month, example, the profit which you get, now you again repledge it. Are you getting my point? Right? For example, if you made 50,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees, right, from option selling, you're a good trader. First, you're making money from the Liquidbees. You're putting that and doing SIP. And second, the profit which you're making, you are again repledging it. Do you realize what can happen? I don't want to run numbers here. If I run numbers, it's gonna show you one with so many zeros. But I leave that to your imagination. If you understand compound interest and you understand low effort and maximum result, you're gonna crack it. 100% where I'm hinting, right? Maybe I can make a detailed video, but I'm not too sure how many people are getting what I'm telling you. So one capital, you are rotating it once, twice, thrice, 4 times, but your capital is only 10 lakhs. Do you realize it? The best part is you can do it with smaller capital as well. If you have 5, you can think long term and you can do it. And how much effort are you putting in? Absolutely no effort, right? Liquidbase is doing its job. SIP is getting auto. Yes, for option selling, definitely. You've learned something, you have better strategies, you have better techniques, and you're trying to improve on yourself. And that's a really, really good thing to do. Now, let's change gear and make it even better. How about 50% in Bs and 50% in equity hybrid fund? That will be really interesting, am I right? I mean, if you divide further. So what I'm telling you is that you rotate your capital one more time now. You see, in options trading, it's a vast sea and people just keep on doing the same thing, the same, iron condor, selling a short strangle and keep on doing the same thing for like years and years and years and think of themselves that they have experience of 5 years. But आप तो 5 साल से वही चीज कर रहे हो because nobody told you the better way to do things and improve in any business. Forget about option trading. The only way to go to next level is get the better information, just like you got right now. And I've also hinted you what you can do it even better. Now check with your broker, check how much percentage it takes, how much will it take if you do compound annually. Also for trading, there has to be MTM swings. So you will not be able to use the entire 9.5 lakh. You need to keep some buffer for MTM swings. You can't just be so airtight on your margin. You got to keep some space. That's why I'm telling you, you got to think of improving your ROI, which you do with options selling, and have a very good and solid hard exit plan and a plan which is fully logical and you are convinced with the plan. That's how you could have the compound interest going in for you. Time passes really fast. What were you doing 5 years back? You probably, don't think it as 5 years. Corona was just there, 2020, right? And hey, we are 2025, 5 years have gone just like that. Imagine if we have a system like this, which is earning money, how comfortable we're gonna feel. There's no need to work hard, like I said. That's the reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading, one must completely avoid. Elevate your trading game. You can learn the craft in record time. Get in touch to learn in depth. Just drop a message. You can get that details directly from the team. If you think this as a business, then you better do what a top businessman would do. That is improving on your craft. Now share this video with somebody who you really want to see succeeding. Discuss about it, do brainstorming on this, how you could really take benefit of this. All right, that's it from me today. I'm 100% sure that you found really gold value from this video. Thanks for watching, and like I always say, you are going to do so well in trading, you will surprise everyone.